What's up everybody, Chris and Connor from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and today we're going to be installing a new winch on Connor's Jeep right behind me here. So we just got a brand new 9500 PR from OPENROAD, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, here's the big old box from OPENROAD. Let's take a look and see what we're working with. Pop the cover out here. Got a couple of really big OPENROAD decals. Got the full instruction manual. In the first layer, we've got a winch hook. Looks like we've got the wired remote, some hardware, a card, relays, things like that. And then underneath that, we've got the winch. Now this is the 9500 PR. It's a 9,500 pound winch. It does come with a synthetic winch rope. There's the control box here. Comes with a Haas Fairlead. Not only does it come with the wired remote shown right there, but it comes with two wireless remotes, plus all the wiring to hook it up right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this out and we're going to install it right here on the AM off-road bumper, and we'll be all set. So now it's time to get to work. All right, welcome back. So last night we went to go start installing the winch, and of course the sky opened up, and typical monsoon season, we got a torrential downpour, so we opted to start again in the morning. It looks like the weather's going to be fine. It's a little bit cooler, so it's time to get started. So first, we're going to take out the main winch body and we're going to install it on the bumper. We're going to be using the supplied hardware, and we'll go through each step individually. Now initially just get the holes lined up a little bit, because we're going to be sliding some hardware inside the winch body and connecting it with some bolts. So here's the supplied hardware. Now if you notice, you've got 6 bolts, 2 big nuts, bunch of washers, and of course these little square nuts. Those are a captive nut, so you won't have to put a wrench on that side. So they go into these little slots on all 4 corners. With the captive nuts in place, we can take the 4 16mm bolts with the flat washers and split washers and feed them in from the bottom side and tighten them down. Locate the holes from underneath to screw the bolts in. They'll thread directly into the captive nut in the winch. We'll get all 4 of them in and get them tightened down. With the winch securely installed to the bumper, you can cut this zip tie. We'll pull out the winch line, put it through the Fairlead hole, and install the Fairlead. To install the Fairlead, you're going to want to run the winch line through the Fairlead and the Fairlead hole in the bumper. Attach the 18mm bolts with a flat washer and a split washer and the nut. With an 18mm socket and a wrench on the inside, tighten down the Fairlead bolts. Next up, we'll install the electrical connections. Black wire to the battery and the ground wire connect underneath. And we have the 3 main connections up top, plus the positive battery wire, so we'll get all those connected. To wire the control box, attach the main 3 top electrical connections, which are color coordinated. You've got a yellow post, a black post, and a red post. So simply slide the boot back, slide it onto the post, and tighten down the nut. With the control box on, the wiring all hooked up, and run properly to the battery, we can install the winch hook, and we're ready to go. With the winch hook installed, you can power on the winch, power on the remote, and reel in the hook. There you have it. The OPENROAD 9500 PR is installed. All right guys, so that was quick and that was painless and that was easy. That is the OPENROAD 9500 PR installed on Connor's Jeep. It's ready to go. It's got the 2 wireless remotes, the wired remote, synthetic winch line, and Haas Fairlead. It's a gorgeous unit, and we can't wait to get it out on the trail. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below.